Hi, my name is Mr. D, and today I want to take a look at adding decimals. So we have simplify the following expressions, and we're going to start with the first example. We have 0.122 plus 0.346. Now when you're adding decimal terms, you want to make sure everything's lined up vertically, which means up and down. Makes everything a lot easier. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to write 0.122 plus 0.346 like this. Notice how everything is lined up perfect. The tenths column, hundredths column, thousandths column. You don't want to write it off to the side like this. You'll still be able to get the right answer, but just make sure everything's lined up because it makes your job a lot easier. So then you start from the column all the way to the right, and we're moving all the way to the left. So if we go all the way to the right, we're adding 2 plus 6 is 8. Then we move this way, we've got 2 plus 4 in this column here. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then we have 1 plus 3 is 4. All we have to do now is just bring down this decimal. And notice our answer, we have 0.468. This is 468 thousandths if we were going to express it as a fraction. But this is how we would complete the first example here. It's a lot like long addition. You just have to be really careful to keep track of the decimal so that nothing moves out of place. For the second example here, we're going to start off, like I said before, we want to write it vertically. But we're going to run into a few problems, but we're going to see how to fix it. We've got 0.057 plus, and we've got 0.6841. And notice if we start here, the problem is we've got 3 digits after the decimal, and for this number we have 4 digits after the decimal. So to get it to match, for the top number, we're going to write a 0 next to the 7. Because 0 is a placeholder, we can write as many zeros as we want. If we wanted to, we could put another 5 zeros on the end, but because it's not needed, we don't need the extra zeros. We only need one extra, so that we have 4 digits here, 4 digits here. Now we could treat it like this problem and finish it off. So we've got 0 plus 1 in the first column to the right is 1, and we're working this way. 7 plus 4 is 11, so we write our 1, and because we're thinking 11, we're going to carry this one to the next column. Now we have 1 plus 5 plus 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. So we write down our 4, but remember we have to carry this one now to the next column here. We're always carrying it to the left. Now we have 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. And now we just drag down that decimal. So our final answer for the second example is 0.7411 if you wanted to write that as a fraction. That's 7,411 10,000ths. That's really difficult to say, but that is in fact our answer to the second example. Okay. Alright, well this is going to conclude this video on adding decimals. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that this was helpful.